I'm Nicole with McKenna Property Management. I work with Jenny McKenna, and today we're at 9533 Amber Valley. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the home, go over some of the highlights, and then some of the items that we noticed that might need to be addressed. First, we're starting on the front yard. There is grass, but as a rental, it's best to have it as rock. So we are recommending changing this to rock for low maintenance, along with the backyard as well. Head inside. As we walk inside, there are some custom features on the flooring of the tile. First, when you're walking in the doorway, also at the landing on the steps going upstairs, which is great. We'll go into the kitchen first. So overall, the paint looks to be good. There are some spots that we noticed that may need some touch-up, mainly on the ceiling. Since we're all still going to be painting the ceiling or doing some touch-up, we would recommend taking out this tracking up top. There's some discoloration. I think there's enough light in here to have that removed. And we're going to head to the backyard. Oh, sorry. It's okay. There we go. So the backyard also has a lot of greenery, which is good, but on a rental, it's best to have it as rock. Less maintenance for the tenant, less upkeep as well. There's a fire pit over here. Not sure if it works, but we're going to leave it as is. So that way you don't have to worry about replacing it. You already have a lot of expenses that were already done, so you don't have to worry about, like the extended patio and the covered edge as well. Then we'll have also got a fan out here for the summer months, which is good. There are some windows in here besides the one over the kitchen that needs some fixtures. Probably replace some of these screens as well if they're damaged. If there isn't one, we can probably pop it off because I see that there isn't one here. And it's the downstairs floor, so we'll just take that out. But we do want to add the faux wood blinds to the downstairs, along with adding the fixture on the slider glass door as well. In the kitchen, you already have all of your appliances, so you don't have to worry about that. The cabinets are custom. They look to be in good shape. We're going to ask to remove some of the liners, but overall they have nice fixtures on them, good color, they match the countertop. Also, all the appliances are black with the space saver microwave, so you don't have to worry about installing that as well. And then in the back here, the back, we also have more custom cabinets. They look to be in good shape. I would say they're a little rustic is what we're going to call them, but they look very custom, maybe just some adjusting on the cabinets, but you already have the granite countertop as well, and the nice fixture also, and light fixture. So we will head upstairs. The stairs also give you a unique touch because you have the granite here, along with the stairs with tile and faux wood. We will go into the master first. So the flooring looks to be in great shape. I don't see any issues with it at all. It is not real wood, it's faux wood. So we should get some wax out of it, probably about 1 to 3 tenants maybe. And in the bath, we have some nice custom marble fixtures as well in the shower. Sorry. Along with your nice fixtures, the addition to the mirrors, and the light fixtures as well. So the bathroom looks to be in good shape. We're going to head into the first guest bedroom number 1. Paint in here also being in good shape. I did notice that it does have ceiling fans throughout. We may recommend replacing them all so they're all one style rather than 4. Right now, each one has different features. This one also has some sticky stuff on there, so it'll probably need to be replaced anyways. then we'll go into the second guest. Again, the paint looks good. Same flooring, different fan plate combo kit. So we may want to maybe match them all to look like that, so that way they're all unison. And again, the third guest bedroom, paint looks fine. There are some window treatments that may need to be replaced. A few in the master. We'll check these to see if they're good enough to keep. Maybe replace that ceiling fan as well, to make it all unison for all the rooms. And that is the home.